All right, let's say you are tracking two separate actions from your product and you want to find out the time it takes your users to trigger one and then do the other. For example, let's say your product is a messenger app like Slack or Microsoft Teams, and you want to see on average how long it takes users to send their first message after they've signed up an account. So the time between signing up and sending a message. I'm going to show you how to do that in Amplitude. For this example, we're going to use a demo data set that comes with Amplitude, which is sample data for a fictional chat product like the ones that we mentioned. In order to accomplish what we said, you first click on the Create button on the top left, hover down to Charts, and you select the second option, which is Funnels. This brings you to a blank Funnels report. Now recall that we said we want the time between signing up and sending a message. So you come over here to the events picker, and at top you add your first event, which is user sign up. And then you add your second event below it, which is sending a message. This quickly generates a chart for you that shows the conversion rate between signing up and sending a message. So this shows that 53.4% of users who have signed up in the past 30 days have then gone on to send a message at all within 1 day of signing up. But we don't care in this instance about the percentage that convert. We want the time that it takes them to convert. In order to find that, you come over here to the Measured As section in the left-hand tab. You see that conversion is selected by default, and instead you switch to Time to Convert. This shows you a distribution of how long it takes your users to convert from action 1 to action 2. Because remember, not everybody does this at the same speed. Some folks do it real quickly. Those folks are on the left-hand side of the chart. And some take a very long time. Those are on the very right side. So this shows the overall distribution. And then this dotted line here shows the median time, which is what's displayed above here. So if you want one number to take away, you want the median time to convert between these two. And that is the number displayed here and is marked on the chart using the dotted line. As with all other charts, you can take this and you can switch it, for example, to a 7-day view instead of 30-day. You can do a 60-day. You can give people more or less time to convert in the funnel. There's a lot of bells and whistles and ways that you can change it, but ultimately the core of it, if you want to find the time between two separate actions, is what I just showed you. Create a funnels report, add your two action, switch the time to convert, and you get this chart over here. The last thing to keep in mind is if you don't want a distribution and you want to see instead how much this median has changed over time, you come over here to where it says distribution, you switch it to over time instead. This shows you how that median has changed over time. There you go. That's how you find the time between two key actions using Amplitude. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about product analytics, check out the link in the description to a free course that teaches you how to set success metrics and KPIs for your product, which you can then use Amplitude to measure and monitor. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.